Want sharper images, personalized watermarks, and perfectly sized visuals without complicated software? We've all struggled with blurry photos that need sharpening, images that need watermarks for protection, or visuals that are the wrong size for social media. Manual image enhancement takes hours, requires expensive software like Photoshop, or forces you to juggle multiple tools with confusing interfaces. You end up spending more time learning software than actually creating content. ToolsSpark offers 3 powerful free image enhancement tools that make editing faster, easier, and completely professional. No software installation, no monthly subscriptions, no complicated tutorials needed. Try them all at www.toolspark.com, completely free. Tool 1. Image Sharpen Tool. First is our Image Sharpen Tool, perfect for photographers, content creators, and social media managers who need crystal clear images that grab attention and look professional. This tool enhances blurry or soft images by intelligently increasing clarity and detail without creating unwanted artifacts or over-sharpening effects. The advanced algorithm analyzes your image and applies optimal sharpening for maximum visual impact. Simply upload your image, select sharpening intensity from subtle to dramatic, and download your enhanced photo instantly. For example, upload a slightly blurry photo from your smartphone, apply moderate sharpening, and get a crisp, clear image that looks professionally shot. This is game-changing for social media content, product photography, or any situation where image clarity matters. You get professional quality sharpening instantly, without expensive software, technical knowledge, or time-consuming manual adjustments. Perfect for improving older photos, smartphone images, or any picture that lacks that sharp, professional edge. Tool 2. Image Watermark Tool. Next is our Image Watermark Tool, essential for photographers, digital artists, online sellers, and bloggers who need to protect their intellectual property and build brand recognition. This tool adds custom watermarks to your images with complete control over text, positioning, transparency, and styling. You can add your logo, brand name, website URL, or copyright notice to protect your work from unauthorized use. Upload your image, enter watermark text, or upload your logo, select position and transparency level, then download your protected image instantly. For example, upload a product photo, add your semi-transparent logo watermark in the corner, and now your content is protected when shared online. Watermarks serve dual purposes. They protect your creative work from theft while promoting your brand every time someone shares your image. This tool makes professional watermarking accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive design software. Tool 3. Simple Image Resize. Finally, our Simple Image Resizer handles one of the most common image editing tasks, resizing photos for different platforms and purposes without losing quality. Every platform has different size requirements. Instagram needs 1080 by 1080 pixels. Facebook covers require different dimensions. Websites need optimized sizes for fast loading. Instead of guessing or manually calculating, this tool handles everything automatically. Upload your image, select target dimensions or percentage scaling, and get an optimized image ready to download instantly. For example, upload a 4000 by 3000 pixel image and resize it to perfect 1080 by 1080 pixels for Instagram, ensuring fast uploads and consistent quality. The intelligent resizing algorithm maintains image quality while optimizing file size, so your photos look great and load quickly. Perfect for social media posts, e-commerce product images, website optimization, or any situation requiring specific image dimensions. Let's recap these 3 powerful image enhancement tools. Image Sharpen Tool for crystal clear photos, Image Watermark Tool for content protection and branding, and Simple Image Resizer for perfect dimensions every time. All these tools are 100% free, incredibly fast, and amazingly easy to use at www.toolspark.com. No hidden costs, no software installation, no learning curves, just professional image enhancement made simple. Enhance your images, protect your brand, and create perfect visuals instantly. Subscribe to ToolsSpark for more free AI and digital tools that simplify your creative workflow and boost your productivity.